How to get PayPal off hold money instantly. Now, this is usually happened for some um, sellers that is currently shipping out items or products and is disbursing the money after the item or once the item has been received. Now, all you have to do first is just to log into your PayPal account, and then in there, you just have to adjust a slight options from your tracking info on that current um, transaction history that happens or on that specific money that is currently on hold. Now, just simply tap on the money that is currently on hold, and then in there, just choose or update the status of the item. If you will be updating it, then you should be able to get the money off hold instantly, as long as between both and the seller has updated the status of the order. So again, this usually happens if you are not updating the order status directly from PayPal. And that's it. That's the most convenient way or to get the money and PayPal off hold instantly.